The Fisu Road University Games held in China's southwestern city of Chengdu is a remarkable opportunity for foreigners to witness and experience China's development and prosperity. According to Raymond Chow, chairman of PwC Asia Pacific and China, an official supplier of the Fisu Games, the Chengdu Universiade also catalyzes economic growth and global exposure, apart from being an exciting sporting spectacle.
And the value of that, with so many thousands and thousands of people together, different cultures, exchange of cultures, and coming to China to really understand our culture, to really see the city of Chengdu, to really see and experience the prosperity of China. I think that's a lot of intangible value. And there's a lot of expenditures to build the systems, to build the games, to build the facilities. They're long-lasting. Long-lasting in the sense that brings in tourism, that brings in international people to get a better understanding of the country, and to get a better understanding of the culture, and to get a better understanding of the development opportunities, whether it's in Chengdu or Sichuan or in the country as a whole. And that brings in a lot of potential value in the future that you can't probably measure today. And that's what's important. Having a sort of a world games in China help us to talk about the China story. We can all talk about it, but actually showcasing it is so much more important for people to actually be on the ground, feel it, see and see the vibrancy of the city and of the country.